Is your healthy oatmeal secretly unhealthy? Think oatmeal is just a boring breakfast? Think again. In this video, we'll show you how to turn this humble grain into a powerful superfood, the right way to eat it, what to add, what to avoid, and how to unlock all its amazing health benefits. Let's level up your morning bowl. Today we're exposing the hidden mistakes that can turn your wholesome breakfast into a sugar trap. Oatmeal is cozy and versatile, but how you prepare it, and the choice of oatmeal, makes all the difference. Choosing organic oatmeal is a smart first step toward better health. Unlike non-organic oats, organic oats are grown without synthetic pesticides, herbicides like glyphosate, or genetically modified ingredients. This means fewer harmful residues in your bowl, and more nutrients in every bite. It's a cleaner, more natural option that supports both your body and the environment. We'll cover 5 common oatmeal mistakes and how to fix them for a breakfast that keeps you full and energized. Grab your bowl and spoon, let's dive into the secrets of making oatmeal a true superfood. By the end, you'll be an oatmeal pro, ready to make breakfast your healthiest meal of the day. I bet you didn't know the most common oatmeal mistake could actually make you feel more tired and hungry, no matter how healthy you think your breakfast is. Let's talk about it. Mistake number 1, the sweet surrender. This is when you turn your wholesome bowl of oats into a sugar bomb without even realizing it. It's easy to get carried away, piling on spoonful after spoonful of brown sugar, drizzling honey, or pouring syrup until your oatmeal is more dessert than breakfast. All that added sugar might taste delicious at first, but it can send your blood sugar soaring, only to crash back down soon after. This roller coaster leaves you feeling tired, sluggish, and even hungrier than before. Instead of fueling your morning, you end up with a quick burst of energy followed by a slump that can ruin your day. But here's the good news. Oats have a naturally comforting flavor. Let the oats themselves shine as the star of your breakfast. For sweetness and a boost of nutrition, top your oatmeal with fresh or frozen fruit like berries. They add natural sugars, fiber, and antioxidants, making your breakfast both tasty and nourishing. Try mashing in half a ripe banana while your oats cook. This trick makes your oatmeal creamy, sweet, and satisfying. No extra sugar needed. For even more flavor, sprinkle in some cinnamon or nutmeg. These spices give your oats a warm, sweet aroma and taste, all without adding any sugar. If you still crave a little extra sweetness, use just a tiny drizzle of pure maple syrup or honey. A small amount goes a long way, and won't overload your breakfast. You can also make a simple fruit compote at home. Just simmer berries or chopped apples with a splash of water and a sprinkle of cinnamon. This creates a naturally sweet, flavorful topping that's perfect for your oats. Prep a batch of fruit compote or oatmeal jars for the week ahead. This way, you'll always have a healthy, delicious option ready to go, and you'll be less tempted to reach for the sugar jar. Let's break up with excess sugar and let real, wholesome ingredients take center stage in your breakfast routine. Swapping out refined sugars for whole, natural sweeteners like fruit, nuts, and seeds not only makes your oatmeal healthier, but also adds more flavor, texture, and nutrition. Your body, and your taste buds, will thank you for making the switch. You'll feel more energized, satisfied, and ready to take on the day. Remember, when it comes to sweeteners, a little truly goes a long way. Savor the natural flavors and enjoy every bite. Keep it simple, keep it natural, and let your oatmeal be a nourishing start to your morning. Mistake 2, the instant regret. Relying on flavored instant oatmeal packets for a quick breakfast fix. Sure, they're convenient, but most of these packets are packed with added sugars, artificial flavors, and preservatives you probably don't want to start your day with. Instant oats are also much more processed than whole oats. This means they lose a lot of their natural fiber and nutrients during manufacturing, and can cause your blood sugar to spike and crash, leaving you hungry and tired soon after. Instead, reach for whole rolled oats or steel-cut oats. These options are less processed, richer in nutrients, and provide longer-lasting energy to power you through your morning. If you're short on time, try making overnight oats. Just combine rolled oats, milk or a milk alternative, a spoonful of yogurt, and your favorite add-ins like fruit, nuts, or seeds in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight, and you'll have a delicious, ready-to-eat breakfast waiting for you. Prefer something warm? Cook a big batch of plain oats at the start of the week. In the morning, just reheat a portion and add your favorite toppings. No need for sugary packets. With whole oats, you're in control. You decide what goes in your bowl. No hidden sugars, no artificial chemicals, just real wholesome ingredients. You get all the fiber, vitamins, and minerals your body needs for steady, sustained energy and better digestion. A little planning ahead, just a few minutes, can set you up for a week of healthier, more satisfying breakfasts. So, ditch those instant packets and embrace real oats. Your taste buds and your health will notice the difference. You'll feel more energized, focused, and ready to take on the day, all thanks to a better breakfast choice. Take charge of your mornings. Make breakfast a moment of self-care, not just a rushed routine. Remember, healthy habits start with simple swaps. Choosing whole oats over instant is a small change that makes a big impact. Make your oats work for you, not against you. Enjoy every bite, knowing you're fueling your body the right way. Mistake 3. The missing teammates. Eating plain oatmeal without protein or extra fiber. Oats are mostly carbs, which give quick energy, but you need protein and fiber for lasting fullness. Without them, you'll be hungry again before lunch. Add Greek yogurt or nut butter for protein and healthy fats. Sprinkle in nuts or a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. For more fiber, toss in chia seeds, flax seeds, or berries. These additions make your oatmeal thicker, more filling, and packed with nutrients. Extra fiber helps digestion and keeps you satisfied longer. Build a balanced bowl, carbs, protein, and fiber all working together. It's the difference between a quick snack and a meal that fuels your whole morning. Don't let your oats go solo. Invite the whole team. A few simple add-ins turn oatmeal into a complete breakfast. Power up your bowl for all-day energy. Mistake 4. Portion distortion. Eating more oats than you need. Oatmeal is healthy, but even good foods can be overdone. The standard serving is just half a cup of dry oats, which expands when cooked. Oversized portions mean extra calories, which can sabotage your goals and leave you sluggish. Use a measuring cup to get familiar with the right serving size. Try a smaller bowl. Your portion will look and feel more satisfying. Remember, it's not just about the oats. Your toppings add volume and nutrition. Protein, fruit, and seeds make a standard serving filling and delicious. Listen to your body's hunger cues and stop when you're satisfied. Quality and balance matter more than quantity. Don't drown your breakfast, fuel it just right. Smart portions keep you energized, not stuffed. Make every bite count. Mistake 5. The carb-only club. This is the common misconception that oatmeal is just about carbs and nothing else. Many people think a bowl of oats is simply a quick source of energy, but there's so much more to it than that. A truly balanced meal needs a combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats. Each of these macronutrients plays a unique role in fueling your body and keeping you satisfied. Oats and fruit alone can give you a quick burst of energy, but without protein and fat, you'll likely experience a mid-morning crash, leaving you hungry and tired before lunch. Healthy fats are essential. They help your body absorb important vitamins, support your brain function, and keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. To make your oatmeal more nourishing, add a handful of nuts, seeds, or a spoonful of nut butter. These not only provide healthy fats, but also a boost of plant-based protein. Try sprinkling in chia, flax, or hemp seeds for extra nutrition. These tiny seeds are packed with fiber, omega-3s, and minerals that support your overall health. Even a sprinkle of coconut flakes or a few creamy avocado slices can transform your bowl, adding both flavor and healthy fats. Don't be afraid to get creative. Savory oatmeal with avocado, herbs, or even a poached egg can be surprisingly delicious and satisfying. Build your bowl with complex carbs from oats, lean protein from yogurt or nuts, and healthy fats for lasting energy that will power you through your morning. This trio, carbs, protein, and fats, is the secret to a breakfast that truly works for you, keeping you energized and focused. So, say goodbye to the carb-only club and hello to balanced nutrition. Your oatmeal can be so much more than just a plain bowl of carbs. With the right mix of toppings, your oatmeal becomes a complete, satisfying meal that supports your health and tastes amazing. Unlock the full potential of your breakfast. Get creative, get balanced, and enjoy every bite. There you have it, 5 oatmeal mistakes and how to fix them. Oatmeal can be a superfood when you avoid sugar traps, choose whole oats, and balance your bowl. Breakfast is your chance to fuel up right, so get creative and make it your own. Try these tips and see how a balanced breakfast changes your day. Like this video? Subscribe for more smart eating tips. Drop your favorite oatmeal topping in the comments. I love new ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.